Today's topic is homogeneous equations. We can also say homogeneous differential equations. The differential equations of the form dy by dx equal to g of y over x are called homogeneous differential equations. This is a function of y over x. Now, for example, number 1, dy by dx equal to y square plus 2xy divided by x square. We divide this x square by y square. This is y square over x square and 2xy over x square. So you see here it become y by x whole square plus 2y by x. So you see this is y by x and this is also y over x. So this whole term is function of y over x. We say this is g of y over x. So dy by dx is a function of y over x. So this is the homogeneous differential equation. Example number 2, dy by dx equal to log x minus log y plus x plus y divided by x minus y. By property of log, we can write this as log of y over x, and dividing this term and this term by x, this is 1 plus y by x, and this become 1 plus y over x. So we can write this as log of 1 over y over x. This term can be written as 1 over y over x. So you see this whole term is a function of y over x. So this is the homogeneous differential equations. Now, how we solve the homogeneous differential equation? We prove here the theorem. The homogeneous equation dy by dx equal to g of y by x is transformed into separable equation by substituting y equal to vx. First we transform this homogeneous equation into the separable equation. Then by separating the variables and taking the integral both sides, we can solve the given differential equation. Now we prove this theorem. Dy by dx equal to g of y over x. This is suppose the homogeneous equation. We put y equal to vx. This y we put y equal to vx and v equal to y over x. Differentiate this term with respect to x by using the product formula. Dy by dx equal to v plus x into dy by dx. So in this place of dy by dx we put v plus x into dy by dx, and in place of y by x we put v. Here this is y by x equal to v. In place of y by x we put v, and we can write this as x dy by dx, and this is g of v minus v by cross multiplication. This implies dv divided by g of v minus v equal to dx over x. This becomes a separable equation. In this place, this is whole term as a function of v and this is function of x. By integrating both sides, we can solve the required separable equation. Now we give the example how we solve the equation which is homogeneous. Dy by dx equal to x cube plus y cube divided by x square y plus xy square. We can take common from this x cube. We have 1 plus y cube over x cube, and from this denominator we can also take x cube as common, and this term become y by x plus y square by x square. These will cancel, and this can be written as 1 plus y by x whole cube, and this is 1 plus y by x whole square. This whole term is the function of y over x. So you see here this is again the function of y by x. So dy by dx equal to function of y over x. So we see that this is the homogeneous equation. Now we solve this homogeneous equation dy by dx equal to 1 plus y by x cube over y by x plus y by x whole square. This is function of y by x. Be the homogeneous equation. We convert into separable equation by putting y equal to vx. So v equal to y by x and dy by dx equal to v plus x into dy by dx. In this place, we put v plus x dy by dx. In place of y by x, we put the value of v. This become 1 plus v cube over v plus v square. Now, this equation can be written as x dy by dx equal to 1 plus v cube over v plus v square minus v. Now, by simplification, this will be LCM. This become x into dy by dx equal to 1 plus v cube minus v into 1 v plus v square divided by v plus v square, and by after simplification we have 1 minus v square over v into 1 plus v. This can be written as 1 minus v into 1 plus v, they will cancel. So we have 1 minus v over v. By cross multiplication, we have v dv divided by 1 minus v equal to dx over x. So we can write this as minus 1 minus v minus 1 divided by 1 minus v dv equal to integral dx over x. So 1 minus v by 1 minus v become 1 minus 1 by 1 minus v. Now integrating both sides, the integrator of 1 is v and this is function and this derivative is minus 1. So this is 1 minus into v plus log of 1 minus v, and the integral of this is log of x and plus log c is constant of integration. So we can write this as minus v equal to log of 1 minus v plus log of x, this become log of 1 minus v x into c by the property of the log. Now we put the value of v is y by x and here v is also y by x. So after simplification, we have y equal to minus x log of x minus y into c, the required solution of the given homogeneous equation. Now if the equation is not homogeneous, we reduce this differential equation into the homogeneous form. How we reduce the non-homogeneous equation into the homogeneous form? The differential equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 dx plus a2x plus b2y plus c2 dy equal to 0 is not homogeneous. It can be reduced to homogeneous form. This is not a function of y over x. So this is not homogeneous. Now we have the following cases, how we reduce this equation into the homogeneous form. Now if a1 over a2, case number 1, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 over b2, then we let small x equal to capital X plus h and small y equal to capital Y plus k. Now case number 2, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 over b2, then we put z is equal to a1x plus b1y, the equation reducible to separable in x and z. So there are two cases. Now I am giving you the example how we solve this equation. dy by d is equal to 2y minus x plus 5 divided by 2x minus 5 minus 4. We see that this is not function of y over x. So this is not homogeneous equation. So in this case you see value of a1 is minus 1, b1 is 2 and c1 is 5, and a2 is 2 and b2 is minus 1 and c2 is minus 4. You see this is equation dy by dx, this is not function of y over x, is not homogeneous. Now a1 by a2 is minus 1 by 2, a1 is minus 1 and value of a2 is 2. So a1 by a2 is minus 1 by 2 and b1 by b2, b1 is 2 and b2 is minus 1. So this is 2 by minus 1, this is minus 2. a1 by a2 is minus 1 by 2 and b1 by 2 equal to minus 2, so they are not equal. So we adopt this method to solve this differential equation. Then we put small x equal to capital X plus h and small y equal to capital Y plus k. Now small x equal to x plus h and small y equal to capital Y plus k, dx equal to capital Dx and dy is equal to capital Dy. So in place of small dy by dx, we put capital Dy over capital Dx, and 2 into, in place of y we put y plus k, and in place of x we put x plus h plus 5 divided by 2 into x plus h minus y plus k minus 4. So after simplification we have this z. Now we put 2k minus h plus 5 equal to 0 and 2h minus 2k minus 2h minus k minus 4 equal to 0. So after simplification, by simultaneously solving these two equations, we have h equal to 1 and k equal to minus 2. So this is 0. We have dy by dx equal to 2y minus x divided by 2x minus y, and dividing this term by x, this become 2y by x minus 1, and this is 2 minus y over x. This is a function of y over x. So dy by dx equal to function of y by x. So this equation is homogeneous equation. Now we adopt the method how we solve the homogeneous equation. we put y equal to vx and dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx and v equal to y by x. In place of dy by dx, we put v plus x dv over dx, and in place of y by x, we put v. This become 2v minus 1 and this is 2 minus v. And take this v in the side, and after simplification we have this z. So x dv by dx equal to 2v minus 1 minus 2v and plus v square, and they will cancel. So we have v square minus 1 divided by 2 minus v. Now we have 2 minus v divided by v square minus 1 dv equal to dx over x. By cross multiplication, we have 2 over v square minus 1. After simplification, we have 2 by v square minus 1 minus v over v square minus 1 into dv, and this is equal to dx over x. Now integrating both sides, we take the integral both sides, and integral of 1 by v square minus 1 become 1 by 2 log of v minus 1 by v plus 1 is the formula of 1 by v minus 1. Integral 1 by v square minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 log of v minus 1 divided by v plus 1, and this is function and its derivative. So integral of this is minus 1 by 2 log of v square minus 1, and integral of log x equal to 1, integral of 1 by x equal to log x plus some log of c1. So they will cancel, and we have log of v minus 1 by v plus 1, and this is minus 1 by 2 log of v square minus 1, and this is equal to log x plus log c1. Now we can multiply this equation by 2. Here we multiply by 2, we have this z, and by property of log, this 2 will become here into the power log of v minus 1 divided by v plus 1 whole square equal to log of v square minus 1, and this is again by property of log, this become log of x square, and again log of c1 square. We put log c1 square equal to log of c. So in place of we put log of c, and again by property of log, the term will multiply log of v square minus 1 x square into c. The log will cancel, and we have v minus 1 square, v plus 1 square, v minus 1 into v plus 1 cube, and cx square, and this implies v minus 1 square equal to x square v minus 1 into v plus 1. So again we put, in place of v we put y over x. So in place of v we put y by x minus 1 and y by x plus 1 whole cube, and after simplification we have y minus x over x, x square into, and this is LCM, y plus x over x cube into c. So we multiply this term here, x cube, they will cancel, and we have y minus x equal to c into y plus x cube. Now we have capital Y is equal to y minus k. So in place of k, the value of k was minus 2, and this is y plus 2, capital Y, and x was x minus h, and the value of h is 1. So this is x equal to x minus 1, and value of capital X is equal to x minus 1. And in place of capital X, we put x minus 1. In place of capital Y, we put y plus 2. In this place, we put y plus 2, and in this place, we put x plus 1. And so also in this x, we have x minus 1, and in place of y, we have y plus 2. And after simplification, we have this. This is the required solution of the given equation. Now example 2, solve the equation 2x plus y plus 1 dx plus 4x plus 2y minus 1 dy equal to 0. We can write this as dy by dx equal to minus 2x plus y divided plus 1 divided by 4x plus 2y minus 1. And dividing by this term and this by x, we have 2 plus y by x plus 1 by x. This is 4 plus 2y by x minus 1 by x. This is not function of y by x. This is not the homogeneous equation. Now a1 by a2 is 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, and b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2. Both are equal. So we have a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. dy by dx equal to minus 2x plus y plus 1 over 2 into 2x plus y minus 1. Now we put z equal to x plus 2x plus y. So dz over dx, by differentiating this term with respect to x, dz by dx equal to 2 plus dy by dx. So in place of dy by dx we put dz by x minus 2. So in this place we put dz over dx minus 2, and this is minus z plus 1 over 2 into z minus 1, and minus 2 we take this in the right hand side. So this becomes dz over dx equal to 2 minus z plus 1 over 2z minus 1. Taking this LCM, 2 into 2z minus 1, and after simplification this becomes 3z minus 3 over 2z minus 1. By cross multiplication we have this term 2z minus 1 by 3z minus 3 dz equal to dx. Now multiplying by 3 both sides we have this term, and we can write this as, by dividing this and this term, we have 2 plus 1 by z minus 1 dz equal to 3 into dx. After dividing this term by this we have this z. Now the variable been separated, so we take the integral both sides. So we have 2z plus log of z minus 1 equal to 3x plus c. Now we replace the value of z equal to 2x plus y. In place of z we put 2x plus y. This becomes 2 into 2x plus y plus log of 2x plus y minus 1, and this is equal to 3x plus some constant, and multiplying by 2 we have 4x plus 2y log of 2x plus y minus 1 minus 3x equal to some constant. This is the required differential equation. Now we are starting the exercise. Question 1, solve the differential equation x minus y dx plus x plus y dy equal to 0. So we can write this as x plus y dy equal to minus x plus y dx. dy by dx equal to minus x minus y over x plus y. Dividing numerator denominator by x. This is 1 minus y by x over 1 plus y by x. This is a function of y over x. So this is the homogeneous equation. Now we put, to solve the homogeneous equation, we put y equal to vx and dy by dx equal to v plus x into dy by dx. Now this can be written as v plus x dy by dx equal to minus 1 minus v divided by 1 plus v. In place of y by x we put v, and in place of dy by dx we put v plus x into dy by dx, and this is equal to x dy by dx minus 1 minus v by 1 plus v and minus v. After simplification we have, this is v dy by dx equal to minus 1 plus v square over 1 plus v. Now variable been separated here by cross multiplication. So we take the integral both sides. 1 by v, 1 plus v square integral dv, and plus v over 1 plus v square dv equal to minus dx over x. The integral of this is the formula of tan inverse y, tan inverse v, and this is by multiplying and dividing by 2, and this is function and this is derivative. So the integral of this is 1 by 2 log of 1 plus v square, and integral of dx over x is log of x. So by arranging this we have this form, and this become tan inverse v, and this 1 by 2 will power of this, and by property of log these term will multiplied, log of 1 plus v square 1 by 2 x equal to some constant. Now replace the value of v, this is y by x. In place of v we put y over x, and this is tan inverse y by x log of 1 plus y by x square over x square 1 by 2 x, and after simplification we have this third tan inverse y by x plus log of under root 1 plus under root x square plus y square equal to some constant, the required solution.